So what to do if you're being audited by the IRS? So usually what will happen is you'll get a letter from the IRS and they'll say, hey, we're examining your return. And they'll give you some specific items. If there's an agent assigned, they're going to request a meeting. Okay. If it's a correspondence audit, they're going to just request specific documents. They're going to say, well, we see that this doesn't match up, or you're missing this on your return, like a 1099 or something. Please, provide it, or, show why it shouldn't have been included. So what I always say is, first, before you respond to the IRS, you need to check what is actually correct. Was your return done correctly? Do you have all your documents? And then you need to prepare the best way to respond to the IRS with your correct documentation. If you don't have the correct documentation, you shouldn't just run away, okay? There may be other things you can do, getting bank statements, proving expenses occurred. Certain businesses are allowed certain expenses without being able to prove the deductions. So the main thing is getting your documents ready and preparing a plan before you respond. Because if you don't, then the IRS is going to assume that either you don't have the records or you didn't do things correctly, and you're just starting things off with an adversarial relationship.